Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update. Let's take a little look at this morning's trading. We managed to bank £972 profit, give and take a few pennies here and there. One was a trade that we did Thursday, we banked it today, the DAX, and the other one was the FTSE from this morning's live trading room. Let's have a little look here at these trades. There was the DAX, that was the nice one. We closed that down this morning, being the 8th of April. We closed that at 11,952. I'll show that in 1 second. And then this morning's one was the FTSE short. So boring, so slow, I cannot tell you. But that's Monday mornings for you. It can be really slow, but we come in with 76 quid on that, which was, nice to just bank and add to the account. Keep on adding to the account is the main thing, okay? So 972 closed this morning. Let's take a look at the FTSE one to start with. So we had a lovely pro trading system buy here at 72.55, I think it was here. And we've run up very nicely to the upside. A couple of 100 points profit long. That's a swing trade long. But our two wave on the storyteller was giving us the short signal on the scanner. So the scanner came up with the reversal here. So we're just looking for short sides this morning, Monday. And so we had the red trend predictor. When you get the trend predictor red, that means that the next candlestick is likely to be a down candlestick. So with the bias for the short side being down from the daily time frame, it was all a case then of looking for a red or a sell signal on the smaller time frames. You can see here that we had the red trend predictor, and it was a case then of waiting for the pro trend system to fire short, turn red, and it is still dropping. I'm looking for a target, a bigger target, 74.00 here. But to be honest with you guys, I'm out this market. It was boring me to death. I need to go and get some breakfast. And I'm done for the day on that. We'll see. I'll probably pop back this afternoon, see what the US gives. But Monday mornings, normally a slowish start on a Monday, which has been true today because the FTSE here it's moved, near enough 20 points now in several hours. So it is pretty slow. But I'm looking for a bigger target to the downside there. And then the DAX trade from last week, relatively straightforward DAX trade. And that was, once again, came up on the scanner. And we had beautiful three waves, okay? So we had one peak, two peak, three peak with this. And it was a case of just waiting to, being patient, having a good stop placement, having a good profit target, which was that 11,950 zone. We got out at 11,952. So that's a pretty good exit on that DAX trade. All right, guys. So can't argue with that. You can't argue with £972.21p this morning, first thing Monday. I'm just gonna be patient here and wait for the US. See what that brings this afternoon. But looking forward to a good trading week. The rest of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, is the days that we really do hit it hard and go for it. And it's that Monday at the start of the week where it's quiet. We want to do some analysis. And then Friday, we want to go and enjoy and go and do other things like play golf and things like that. All right, so come and join me. We've got Learn to Trade Live coming up. I think, let me just check the date for Learn to Trade Live. If you go to our website here, go to courses, Learn to Trade Live, click on that. And you can get your free spot here, guys. If you come all the way down here, we are in London on the 13th, and then we are in London again on the 11th of May. Okay, so we're going to be talking strategies. We'll be going through these strategies that I've just shown you this morning, and just showing you what it's like and how you can become a trader, whether it's a day trader or a swing trader. It really doesn't matter. We'll be going through these strategies on Learn to Trade Live. We're getting close to capacity for the room. Make sure if you want to come on the 13th, make sure you secure that spot as soon as possible, guys. All right. Have a great rest of the trading week. Enjoy it and have a great rest of the week trading the markets. And I'll speak to you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel here, guys. Hit the subscribe button below this video and you will get notifications on the next trading update. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Hit that subscribe button and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.